Trashid Delek, dear Dharma brothers and sisters, I hope you are doing well. The Buddha said, everything is interdependent. Therefore, the happiness of one individual depends upon the happiness of others. That is why Buddha taught these wonderful teachings on 4 immeasurable thoughts: loving kindness, compassion, appreciative joy, and equanimity. In this regard, I must share a quote from Thalik Rinpoche's teaching on this. He said, "Love is the soil in which the flower of compassion grows, nurtured by pure water of joy in the shade of equanimity." How wonderful it is. I'll be sharing more on this. Please join us online at the IBM Institute. Thank you.